Hey guys, welcome to Investify, where we help you grow your wealth through smart investments. In today's video, we have an exciting topic to discuss: Sofi Technologies. We'll be delving into a comprehensive comparison between Sofi Technologies and traditional banks, alongside other prominent players in the financial sector such as fintech companies and neobanks. So let's jump right into it. To kick things off, let's swiftly grasp the essence of Sofi Technologies, an abbreviation for social finance. Sofi has solidified its presence as a prominent contender in the realm of financial technology. This dynamic entity provides a diverse array of services encompassing loans, investments, and banking, all seamlessly accessible through their user-friendly mobile application. Now let's delve into a comparative analysis to gauge how they measure up against the major players in the field. Sofi versus traditional banks. When we draw a comparison between Sofi and traditional banks, a fundamental distinction comes to light, shaping the core of their operational paradigms. Traditional banks conjure images of well-established brick-and-mortar institutions, pillars of the financial sector, with a history that spans decades. These institutions have long been synonymous with stability and familiarity, offering a tangible presence through physical branches. On the other hand, Sofi charts a pioneering course in the digital realm. Operating exclusively online, it forgoes your traditional brick-and-mortar approach entirely. This digital trajectory bestows upon Sofi a series of distinctive advantages, altering the way financial services are delivered and experienced. Foremost among these advantages is the ability to offer services with significantly reduced fees and competitive interest rates. The absence of physical branches eliminates the substantial overhead costs that traditional banks grapple with, enabling Sofi to pass on these cost savings to its users. However, the benefits extend beyond the purely economic realm. Sofi's digital foundation also allows for a re-imaging of the user experience. With an emphasis on intuitive digital interfaces and streamlined interactions, Sofi's approach has struck a chord with a younger generation of users. This demographic, accustomed to seamless online experiences, finds itself drawn to the user-centric design and functionality that Sofi provides. In this manner, Sofi's digital presence has not only allowed it to challenge the traditional banking status quo, but has also positioned it as a beacon of innovation. By catering to the preferences of tech-savvy users and creating a novel banking experience, Sofi plays an important role in the ever-evolving financial landscape. Before we proceed, make sure to show your support by giving this video a big thumbs up, subscribing to our channel, and hitting the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Fintech companies' impact. Fintech companies have left an indelible mark on the financial landscape, fundamentally altering its course through the introduction of groundbreaking solutions. These disruptors have reimagined how financial services are accessed and experienced, marking a significant departure through traditional paradigms. In this transformative landscape, Sofi emerges as a prominent figure. Its innovative offerings and dynamic approach positions it at the forefront of this fintech revolution. However, it's imperative to widen our scope to include other influential players such as Robinhood and Square. These entities have notably reshaped the landscape of investment strategies and payment mechanisms, altering the way people interact with their finances. Within this diverse ecosystem, Sofi distinguishes itself with a compelling array of services that span investments, lending, and banking. This comprehensive suite of offerings positions Sofi not just as a fintech entity but as a comprehensive financial hub. The fusion of its versatile services caters to a wide range of financial needs, elevating its role to that of an all-encompassing resource for individuals seeking holistic financial solutions. In essence, the profound impact of fintech companies resonates as a transformative force, with Sofi standing as a prime example of innovation and adaptability within this dynamic sphere. The emergence of neobanks. Neobanks, a fresh category of financial institutions, are reshaping the landscape without traditional brick-and-mortar constraints. Sofi follows this trend with its focus on mobile accessibility. But how does it measure up against competitors like Chime or Revolut? Neobanks prioritize ease and sleek app design, while Sofi stands out with its wide range of services possibly providing users with a more comprehensive financial answer. As we bring our comparison to a close, the distinctiveness of SoFi Technologies' position becomes evident. It seamlessly integrates the digital prowess of fintech companies and neobanks with the comprehensive services synonymous with traditional banks. This versatility, driven by a user-centric philosophy, has established SoFi's firm footing in the financial landscape. In summary, our exploration today has navigated the realm of SoFi Technologies, unraveling its essence against the backdrop of traditional banking, fintech innovators, and dynamic neobanks that have redefined finance. This analysis has illuminated the factors that set SoFi apart: a digital-first strategy coupled with a diverse financial suite, placing it at the intersection of innovation and tradition. The comparison has effectively showcased how SoFi bridges the gap between conventional banking practices and the transformative strides of fintech and neobanks. In the ever-evolving financial terrain, SoFi Technologies stands as a beacon of adaptability and user-centric design. Its strategic approach offers users a comprehensive spectrum of services while embracing modern conveniences. By embracing the insights gained from this examination, we achieve a clearer understanding of the multifaceted nature of contemporary financial services. Today's exploration has shed light on the captivating realm of SoFi Technologies, enriching our understanding of its role within the tapestry of traditional banks, fintech disruptors, and neobanks. Through a comprehensive comparison, we've eliminated its unique position within the dynamic interplay of traditional banks, fintech disruptors, and neobanks. As financial horizon continues to evolve, may this insight empower you to navigate the intricate realms of modern finance with informed clarity and curiosity. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell for more updates here on Investify.